Aba pala nila.
Palag tayo.
Nag-oscillate sila.
Sabong daw, magde-declare sa Dunes.
Pupok na ako.
Walang banner. Nandun.
Gago! Wait lang kami na mark ko Bong na. Ditang.
May damnation.
I'm gonna fake engage Defense. Don't die. Bonk.
Ito na dyan, punta ko yung Dunes.
He's my front. Get out now. They have engaged now. Ditang bonk. You don't have defense, don't bonk. I'm gonna fake Okay, nice. We're gonna counter Defense. Fake engage. They're engaging. Defense. Man. Nice.
May engage nila pag nag-damnation.
Ito, okay.
Naka-assassin hood sila.
We're gonna pull the guards first. We're gonna play safe. Pull the guards first. Kami side. Pull the guards first. Be careful at the fucking choke. Spread east side, man. They can catch you there, man. Spread east side. Don't leash. Establish the guards at front.
Hilson.
Establish the guards at front.
God.
I'm gonna fake engage Establish the guards at front. They're looking man colors looking now
Celeste ikaw na mag-loot dyan punta ako sa day.
Sakit ng cut-up.
Establish please, DPS man, yo, ang tagal mamatay ng guards.
Labas nyo rito, huwag nyo i-energy.
I-pull
ayaw mo
sa labas. Dyan.
Be careful front
Hindi ko makita yung bagsak ng barrel. Kasi nang lang.
Floating na ng DPS na to. Mag-engage on the collar shallow only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the collar. Come back fast. Ditang stop them. Heal my friend, don't die. Shit. Kamis man. Ba yan? Kamis. They're gonna engage CD, tell me CDs.
2 seconds.
Ready,
Along?
5 seconds per
Ready.
Can engage on the collar. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the collar. Now come back.
Look.
Defense. Establish this guy inside us. Careful at the choke. Why are you guys at the choke? In my front. Come northwest a bit.
Check your HP.
Ano yung dalawang engage nila? Come back east. Stabilize. Nakasasin ba? I'm northwest now. CD.
Ready, Karma, ready.
5 seconds.
Northwest. I'm gonna pick on you. Just establish. Spread. That's fake engage,
Ayan na.
Guardian. Biggest. Nice. Spread. Defense. Don't die. Oh, fuck. Engage inside us. 5 seconds. Inside us. Northeast. Establish the ball. Inside us. 5. Inside us. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. North. That's it. Almost did you sa taas. Nice one. Spread no ball. Defense. Push them. Keep ball. 8 seconds we can engage. Keep ball. Nasa labas yung iba nila.
Ready.
West side. Ito na nasa labas. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito nasa labas. Damage. Kill him. Come north. Huwag niyo patakasin to, man. Spread south. Bong now. Pabong ako nung sa taas. Defense ready. We can still do this. Defense ready. Dodge the barrier. Colors looking. Pabong nung sa taas. Yo, I need ditang sa baba. I need ditang to stop. Colors looking Pabong ako nung sa taas din. Pabong nun dito.
5 seconds.
Spread kayo, men. Enemies looking again. Be careful. Just hold for now. They're looking, they're looking south, inside us, heal, stabilize. Careful, defense, inside us, north side, 5, north side, hold lang, keep roll lang, west side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside us, damage it, inside us. I get you, just keep work. Be careful man. Defense. I need guardian on the door. Don't go to the choke. Biggest. Take the biggest. Keep work. Defense. One guy dying. Ice dying. I need these Ice. Nice one. Keep pill. Don't let my defense die, man. Again, this is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the north. This guy. It's nice, did it? No, spread south lang. We're doing good. Almost did yung carping. Spread south. Napatay ba natin isa? Spread south. Pabong ako. Stabilize tayo. Establish CCA. Be careful front. Limit engage. Defense front. Hits my friend. Let's pick engage. 50%.
Tabihan mo yung Astar.
Guardian armor, patabi yung Astar. Ang sakit. Establish lang.
Guardian armor, tabihan mo.
Pabong nung sa taas.
2%.
Sige lang, buong lang. Hold lang tayo dito, boys.
19% yung sa top.
Hold lang tayo dito. Pabong lang yan. Establish lang. We're just buying time, ha. Left tongue, be careful. We have more space now. Just go, spread here. Just establish spread. Pabong lang yan. Nasa taas yung iba nila, nasa taas yung mga healers nila. North, looking north. Defense now. Keep roll inside us. Inside us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the clock. Bigla mo na yung that's it. That's it. Keep roll now. Andun yung mga healer nila sa taas, gago. Yung caller nila mamamatay na. Caller stead. Gago, pinabayaan ng healer niya. Patay. Patayin niyo yung caller. Careful. Baka mag-inspire.
Ready.
5 seconds west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On camp west. Oh my god, noise.
Caller running.
They're running.
Sisi mo.
Patayin niyo to.
Paktay ka
In
na.
combat ka.
Damage. Just stop damage. Nice.
Okay na mo.
Bong.
Sino kalaban?
Nice one.
Gago, nalot pa nila yung mga bodies naman nila.
Nakulong
Bagal
tayo.
mo maglot, Yani.
Ha?
Ang bagal mo maglot.
Lapit tayo dun sa...
Yung Delta, 30 minutes na lang yung Delta. Sino
Andun
magdudulsa na?
andun si Listy.
Nasa kalaban na.
Oy boy. Palta mo yung passive.
Natatawa kay Yani. Nagdadalawang isip kunin yung Gigapats.
Ako overweight.
Wala na. Ito western na lang binubugbog natin.
Ang gagaling nyo na guys, ha?
Dati hindi makapagma si Boss Doming.
Kasi wala ka no?
Ba't yung una ayaw tabihan ng tank yung Astral?
Kasi nasa wala na ibang guild si Big D.
Ba't ako yung pa yung umali?
Milwaukee.
Ba't kasi pumunta ako ng Milwaukee?
Wala.
Maldito ka, nasa tuktok eh.
Uy, si Maldito na yung topic.
Okay.
Si Sinig ang inactive.
Tama.
Punta ng buwa. At least
Si Celeste
tama.
nasa MC.
Hello? Gago, nandito ako, sir. Buong buhay ko, na-sounds lang ako.
Ikaw,
Ay,
Big D.
mga hindi active.
Niwanan si Doming.
Sinabi nag-roleplay.
Uy, nung iniwan ko yung guild.
Si Boss
Maganda,
Egi
ah.
nagparisan.
Pero nasa pa rin ako.
Kung ina mo
Ninatalaga ko, maganda yung guild Akala ko nga magtatap kayo eh.
Tap nga,
Top
donator.
Top contributor.
Ginawa ko na nga ng banner ng parasan ni Egi.